As per our ongoing NEM cost forecast, the worth of NEM will expanded by 208.62%, coming to $0.0918 by end of 2025, which is genuinely huge. All specialized markers show that the in every practical sense current opinion is negative, while the trepidation and veracity list is perusing 19.52, which by and large means intense apprehension. Amazingly, our NEM gauge, it's hazardous to sell NEM the present moment, which by and large is very huge. On September 17, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while most certainly different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative feeling among NEM cost expectations. See the specific NEM cost expectation underneath. You will, as far as goals and purposes, might be aware the amount NEM is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the for the most part most recent 30 days, NEM has expanded by 3.23%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, toward the finish of September, the worth of NEM expanded by 118.51% and came to approach around $0.0557. At present, all markers explicitly are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and eagerness record shows 19.52 intense feelings of dread. As per our conjecture, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell NEM in an unobtrusive manner. At present, NEM is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a NEM selling commonly signal. The cost of NEM in a real sense is right now running underneath the 50-day kind of straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it sort of shows a sell signal. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will generally hit $0.0323 toward the finish of December in a significant manner. By December 2023-2024, NEM S certainly transient 50-day SMA fundamentally shows a $0.0267. The overall strength record, RSI, force oscillator, really is a well-known marker that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is right now at her Civilu. This shows that the ZEM market is in an impartial situation. Amazingly, NEM value expectation 2023, in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, NEM came to $0.0398, when it basically dipped under $0.0282. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, NEM is en route to passing the $0.0560 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.0560, it might fundamentally break its characteristic of $2.09 and reach, which is genuinely critical. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, NEM will break its past all-time high of $2.09 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.0531 and $0.0560 soon in an unpretentious manner. At this point, on 17 September 2023, NEM most certainly is exchanging at $0.0255, and its 24-hour exchanging volume truly is around 2.01 M. And it truly makes number 112 cash in the entire crypto world. NEM value expectation 2024. There is plausible that NEM can by and large advancement the $0.0652 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least NEM cost will be between $0.0548 to $0.0652. And the most probable NEM cost will really be consistent at around $0.0635 toward the finish of 2024. Despite NEM S in every practical sense, wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy use, tycoon adventure genuinely entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that NEM will explicitly reach $0.0652 toward 2024 or mid-2024, in a significant manner's end. NEM value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists in every practical sense foresee that XEM will begin the year at $0.0753 and exchange around $0.0918. Amazingly, as per their forecasts, this would be very high contrasted with sort of a year ago. This in a real sense is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin in an unpretentious way. NEM Value Expectation 2026. There is a very decent possibility that NEM 2026 value forecast will kind of twofold in cost. Yet it truly is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest 12 cents level. NEM is anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of 11 cents or 12 cents in 2026, and it could sort of be the extended period of NEM in an unobtrusive manner. NEM Value Expectation 2027 NEM Value Forecast, or XEM, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it can possibly really accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap. NEM's cost basically is supposed to outperform 12 cents in 2027. It has been anticipated that NEM will arrive at the greatest cost of 12 cents, and the base cost is supposed to essentially be around $0.0982 in the sort of next a long time from 2027, or so they thought. NEM Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee especially say that NEM value forecast and specialized examination, NEM, is supposed to cross a value level of 13 cents in 2028. In the interim, NEM explicitly is supposed to arrive at an in every way that really matters, least cost of 12 cents this year, which is genuinely huge. The most extreme cost might reach 14 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. NEM Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The NEM Value Forecast and Specialized Examination foresee that the expense of NEM will basically reach 19 cents, and the cost of XEM ought to reach 19 cents before the year's over. What's more, XEM can reach up to 17 cents in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for NEM development. NEM Value Expectation 2030 of every 2030, NEM Value Expectation, are supposed to fundamentally cross the 26 cents truly normal cost level, as indicated by NEM conjecture and specialized investigation, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of 2030, NEM's in every practical sense, least cost all things considered, is supposed to be 25 cents in a significant manner. Furthermore, XEM can generally arrive at a most extreme value level of 27 cents, which is very critical. Toward the finish of 2030, NEM will generally have a typical cost of 27 cents. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, which is genuinely critical. NEM Value Expectation 2031 NEM cost certainly is assessed to reach 35 cents by 2031, at in every practical sense, least, with a typical exchanging cost of 36 cents all through 2031. NEM's worth could come to 37 cents at its actually the most noteworthy. The experts generally anticipate that the kind of most extreme cost